And here's in this video I'll show you how to add or set up Yahoo Mail account in your Samsung Galaxy A16 mobile. First of all, we have to install the Yahoo Mail app. So go to your Play Store and search for Yahoo, and this is the official Yahoo Mail app. Just install this app in your phone. Now go ahead and open the Yahoo Mail app. And here we can see we can sign in with our Yahoo Mail account with our email, or you can sign in with your Google account. And if you already don't have any Yahoo Mail account, to create or sign up here, just tap on sign up. In my case, I'm going to selecting here sign in with Yahoo. And now all you have to need in this field, you have to write your Yahoo Mail account username, email or mobile number, and then tap on next. And now write here your Yahoo Mail account password. Tap on next. And here sign in with your fingerprint or code. I'm selecting not now. And it may take some moments to add your Yahoo Mail account. And here personalize your inbox theme. You can go ahead and select a different theme. Tap on next. And if you want to turn on your Yahoo Mail app notification, tap on allow. And here update your privacy settings to get the most out of your emails. I'm selecting here allow all. Save charges, allow all, and here I'm skip this option, and that's it. As you can see, now I'm in my Yahoo Mail inbox. Now you can go ahead and use your Yahoo Mail account from your Samsung Galaxy device. Thanks for watching.